different type of screw and their uses. Wood screw. Wood screw are a type of fastener used to join two pieces of wood together. They are designed with large thread that cuts into the wood to provide a strong, secure connection. Unlike nails, wood screw might require a pilot hole for installation. The most common type of wood screw is the Phillips drive, which has an H-shaped head that allows it to be installed with a Phillips screw drive. Machine screw. Machine screw are a type of fastener that differ from other screws in that they do not drill through materials themselves. Instead, they are used in conjunction with pre-drill and tapped holes, which have thread cut into them to accommodate the machine screw. When a machine screw is inserted into a tapped hole and secured with a knot, the resulting tension causes the screw to stretch, which forms a strong and stable bond. Machine screw are commonly used in situations where precision and strength are required, such as in the assembly of machinery, electronic appliances, and vehicles. Sheet metal screws. Sheet metal screws are specialized fasteners designed for connecting the metal sheets or other materials like plastic, wood, and aluminum. They are categorized by their head, styles, and three numerical values that represent the screw's diameter, length, and thread count. The diameter, which refers to the size of the screw's shank, is indicated by a number between 0 and 24, with the most common sizes ranging from 6 to 14. Drywall screws. Drywall screws are specifically created to install drywall panels. Drywall screws have bugle heads that protect against tearing the paper surfaces with a sharp point. For easy penetration, you can find them with either coarse thread suited for wood studs or fine threads made specifically for metal studs. Concrete screws. Concrete screws, also known masonry screws, are designed to fasten materials to concrete, break, and block. They have a high low thread design that allows for easy installation and strong holding power. Concrete screws typically have a hex, bugle, or flat head and require a pre-drilled hole for proper installation. Deck screws. Deck screws are specifically designed for outdoor wood applications such as decking, fencing, and railing. They are made from corrosion-resistant material like stainless steel, and their specialized design helps prevent wood bleeding. Deck screws have a bugle head, which allows for flush installation, and a sharp point for easy penetration into the wood. Self-drilling screws. For the quickest and most efficient installation of metals components, nothing beats self-drilling screws, commonly referred to tack screws. These fasteners have a modified design that allows them to create their own pilot hole in one simple step that eliminates the hassle of pre-drilling. With several head styles available including hex, hand, and flat head shapes, this versatile screw is perfect for any application that requires speed and efficiency. Thanks for watching. Know that you know about different types of screws and their applications. Free to leave any question or comments below. See you in the next video.